Let's dive right into understanding what options are available for multiple quiz attempts in D2L. Expand the attempts and completion area and then manage attempts. For this demo, I will allow students 2 attempts for this quiz. While you can have students take the quiz twice with calculating their grade with the highest attempt from both, there are more options available. On the second attempt, do you want students to take the entire quiz again, or do you want them to just answer questions they got incorrect in attempt 1? Let's check the attempt conditions area. Maybe you even want to restrict your students to allowing them only write that quiz a second time if they got a low grade. By entering in a minimum and maximum score, you will then only allowing students to get the ability to take the quiz twice if they meet this criteria. Now that I have my second attempt set up, let's take a look from a student point of view. Student took attempt 1 and did not pass the maximum I set. He will be allowed now attempt 2. The questions appear that he answered incorrectly in attempt 1 as that is what I requested. Plus he is seeing that this is a retake question. In the quiz grade, I get a summary of both attempts and my calculation of the highest attempt for this student. There you have it. I hope you now have a better understanding of creating multiple attempts for your quizzes in D2L. Thanks for watching.